write, I said. You just have to look at the screen. Same thing, we'll make 2-3 children read. Then after that, we'll continue the exercise. Nothing to write in your book today. We will have it from Monday onwards. Okay, now. Very few children are joining. Now, once if you are in class, get ready. Get ready. No need of see Sujin. Why are you showing faces? Okay. Good morning to all. Now, this was a nice story. Okay. Now, those who did not read yesterday, I will ask you to read today. Now, get see,
Yes, ma'am. One day, two men came to the king with a pouch of gold. Both men said that the pouch was there. The first man was an oil seller. The second man sold clothes. The oil seller said that the cloth seller had come to his shop and stolen the pouch.
the cloth
seller said that he had never visited the oil seller's shop. The king smiled. He asked,
now 1 minute, one second. When there is a full stop, once there is a full stop, you have to just stop. The king smiled. He asked for a big bowl of water.
When the water was bought, he asked for the pouch to be put in the bowl. In a while, drops of oil began to come up on the surface of the water. The king said that the pouch was the oil seller's. As the cloth seller said he had never gone to the oil seller's shop, there should not have been any oil on the pouch. The king punished the cloth seller.
Yes, now listen, you must know the full story. Then only you can do the exercise, okay? Now I will ask Jeff to read this. Jeff. Yes, Jeff. Slowly, clearly you have to read. Okay.
One day,
first you must say the heading. The clever king.
The clever king. One day, two men came to the king with a pouch of gold. Both men said the pouch was theirs. The first man was an oil seller. The second man was a clothes seller. The oil seller said the clothes seller had come to his shop and stolen all the pouch. The cloth seller said he had never visited the oil seller's shop. The king smiled. He asked him for a big bowl of water. In a while, drops of oil began to come up on the surface of the water. The king said that the pouch of oil, the seller said he had never gone to the oil seller's shop. Should not have been any oil. And on the pouch, the king punished the cloth seller.
Now, children, very good. Now you must you know the story. Okay. When I ask questions, you have to answer. Okay now.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Ansh. Can I read?
Now you have to turn off your mic. Now who's that now? John Matthew. I can see only one red carpet. Now okay. Just show your face. Come on, only the head is seen. Rida, how are you, Rida?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, now be ready, children. Look at the screen. There is nothing to write, children. All your written work, everything is over, and we will give you written work later. Now, let us see what we have to read after this story, okay? Now, everybody finished doing this, but once again, I want the other children to tell me. Sona, can you read the first question? After that, we'll go to the next exercise. Sona, Sanvi, Sanvi never used to take leave. Dhruv,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning, Dhruv. Is it Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read the first sentence, first statement, and you have to tell me whether I have to write T or F. T is
Okay,
for
ma'am.
true, F for false. Okay, tell me.
Two women came to the king with a pouch of gold.
Is it true?
False, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let me see how many of you can remember the story. Pratika RV. Pratika.
I'm after Pratika.
Yes. Good morning, Pratika. Read the second statement and tell me the answer. Pratika, where are you? What happened, Pratika? Where is Pratika? Just now I heard yes, ma'am, and all that. Okay, we'll go to the next child. Sujin. Sujin.
Ma'am, Pratika.
Okay. Sujin, wait. Pratika's come. Okay, Pratika, read the second statement. The second man.
The second man was a farmer.
Is it true or false? Very good, false. Now, Sujin, read the third one.
The king asked for a big bowl of water. True.
The king asked for a big bowl of water. Is it true or false?
True, ma'am.
Now, see, Sujin. Now, turn off your mic, children.
Ma'am,
Next
can I-
child
ma'am, can I
is,
see?
next child is Prajan. Prajan. Prajan.
I'm present, ma'am.
Okay, Prajan.
I'm present, ma'am.
Yes, read the fourth statement.
The gold was taken out of the pouch. False, ma'am.
Yes, they didn't take the gold out of the pouch. Now, next one is Kanira. Read the fifth statement.
Ma'am,
Fifth
bowl
one.
of
Fifth
water
one.
broke.
Yeah. Is it true?
False, ma'am.
False.
False.
Good. Sixth one. Shashwata, read the sixth statement. Shashwata. I saw Shashwata on the screen. Shaina. Okay. Aratrika. Aratrika used to come at once. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Read the sixth statement.
Yes, ma'am. Oil floated on the surface of the water.
Yeah. Is it true?
True.
Yes. See, I told you many times other children must listen. You must listen to each other. See how nicely she read? You must read fluently. Very good, Aratrika. Now, see, those who are attending the class regularly is going to get a prize from ma'am when you come in the month of June. Okay,
Ma'am,
keep
can-
that in your mind. Good. Now, seventh one, Juan Sri. Come on. Where are you?
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Yeah. No. Who's that? Can I read? No. I'm calling one by one. Joanna Sri. Joanna Sri only I used to call. Where is she?
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh one.
The pouch was the oil seller. No,
Is it-
ma'am, false.
False, sir. You just see, ma'am. Joanna Sri. See, oil floated on the surface of the water. It is not false. The pouch was the oil seller's because the oil was on that pouch. What happened, John Sri? Now, next one is Ernst John Jacob.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the eighth statement.
The clothes seller's was pouch.
Yeah,
Punish.
true.
True,
Is
ma'am.
it? Very good. Now, Ernst needs a big clap because he is attending the class regularly, he is not playing, he has become a very, very good boy. Big clap for you, Ernst. He's clapping for me. Okay then. Let's go to the next one. Very good. Okay, now stop. Now listen. We'll go to the next one. Now, don't do anything. I want you to take out your classwork note. Just write the heading MATCH, match. Nobody is going to get prize for completing the exercise fast. I'm going to have a handwriting test right now in class. Take out your classwork note, a new page. In the margin, write today's date, April 1st. Okay, 1-4, that's all. And write 1 to 7 numbers. 1 to 7 numbers. Copy all the words. Okay? I'm not asking you to do anything, only copy 1 to 7 words from the screen. First you copy 1 to 7 words. Draw a line in the middle. Don't write the same words what is given there. After copying 1 to 7 words, from the second column, put hyphen for each word, that is come. Which is the answer from the second column, write straight. No need for you to write second column all the words as it is. Straight to the question, that is come means put one hyphen and write the answer from the second column. Don't tell anything, don't ask anything. Those who have understood what I said, write. Copy all the 7 words now. I will give one example. Write all the 7 words. Don't tell any answer. Yes, Prajan, write 1 to 7. Tankaratnam, I told you many times you have to keep this not on your lap. Yeah, keep one exam pad. Now listen children, and I just want a small help from Effie. Effie, can you tell me from seeing both the columns, what is it about?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me.
Come, came.
What is, that's all, only one. What is it? What type of tense? Past tense. Okay, now, very good. Now, go back to the screen. You have to write the answer straight to each word. If you don't the answer, just leave it. Ma'am will help you. Now, okay? Now listen here. You no need to match like this. You straight away write the answer. Come. Don't write A, B, C, D from this column. Come. Draw one line in the middle. Straight you write came. Come, came. Now wait. I will ask one by one. I will ask one by one. Now I need Alvin, Jonathan, can you tell me the answer for the second one? Alvin, not there. Jemima, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me the answer for say?
Said.
Next one, very good, Sanvi. Now, I just want Jonathan Paul. Are you there, Jonathan Paul?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, Jonathan?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next, children, tomorrow will be a holiday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Then Monday we will have class. Okay, online classes. Now, children, third one. Okay, Jonathan, can you tell me has? He has. What is the past tense of has?
Was.
Has. Has. What is the past tense of has? Say.
Have.
Had. Look at the screen. Don't put cross lines like this. You have to write the answer straight to that. Has, had. Has, had. Okay. You have to write the answer straight. Good. Now, what about Kabir? Kabir, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm
Kabir,
Kabir.
can you tell me, Kabir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, smile.
Smiled.
Smile.
Smiled. Smiled.
Smiled. That's all. Only one. When I ask, you must answer. Okay. Please write the answer straight. Next one is for Effie. Read the fifth one, Effie.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Asked. Asked.
Very good. Straight away answers, I will ask you to show to me. Asked. Okay. Next child is Mohammed Faizan. Mohammed Faizan.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, after a long time you are coming, child. Where were you all these days?
Ma'am, I am attending, ma'am.
You're attending, you're just switching on and going on, because whenever I'm calling, you're coming in between. One class you will attend, the other one you won't come. How will I give marks for all the 60 marks? Please attend the classes regularly, okay? Now, come on, tell me, Faizan, what is the past tense of is? Is.
It was.
Very good. Okay, Faizan, whenever I call, first period you may not be there, but you attend all the classes, at least this month.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, be good.
Okay,
Good
ma'am.
call. Now, Sehan. No. Now he will also tell ma'am. Okay. Sharan Pranav. Sharan. Sharan. What happened, ma'am? Take care of your health, children. Jake Bobby Matthew. Are you there? Jake boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the last one? Punish.
Punished.
Very good. Now what you have to do is, you have to write the answer straight. All must write the answer straight to each question. Straight to each question. Okay. Now next one. Yes. Now I need one child to read all this. Rida, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please read first 4 question
Yes, ma'am.
and the answer.
I'm Rida, ma'am.
Rida, very good. How are you, Rida?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, Rida, read 1 to 4 question and the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Come, came, said, say, said, has, had, smile, smiled.
Enough. Only 4. Next one is
Thank you, ma'am.
Kylina, read 5, 6 and 7 with the answers. 5, 6, 7 with the answers. Kylina,
Yes, ma'am.
please read.
Asked.
Asked. Asked. Don't say asked. Children, when you add ed, you must say properly. Asked. Ask. Asked. Say ask.
Asked.
Yes, baby. Must not say asked, punished, punished, asked. Okay. Now tell me is.
If was
Punish.
punished.
Yeah. Now, I just want to see everybody now. Now, someone said we're celebrating birthday on 3rd. Who was that? I forgot the name. Someone said. Who, baby?
Jasiel.
Jasiel. Where are you, Jasiel? He's not there. Jasiel, very good. Jasiel, now get ready, children. We have to sing for him. And don't be singing much. Sing with me sweetly. Otherwise, Jasiel will get angry. Okay, and don't smile at. You must not sing. All must sing together. 1, 2, 3. Happy We miss you, Jasiel. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Let's clap for them. Some singers are singing.
Happy birthday,
Jasiel, Jasiel, all of us singing. Please stop singing now. Turn off your mic, children. Jasiel, all of us will pray for you. I hope you have a better day, wonderful day. Okay, just think of all your friends, think of your parents. Okay, be good. Okay, Jasiel. Advance wishes. Now, some children. Okay, Jasiel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. See, he told everybody thank you. And as how you used to be all started, ma'am. What is wrong with your children? You must be very happy. Okay, please don't get angry with anyone. Pray to Jesus daily to give you good health. Okay, Sanjay, turn off your mic, ma. Class is going on. Okay. Now listen, class is going on. Turn off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now, Jeff also. Now, hope you have written all this. Children, we have completed our lessons, but we will be doing some extra work like past tense, present tense, some comprehension passage, adjectives, adverbs, so that this will help you for the next year. Okay, children, take care of your health. Be good. Don't be running around because it's very, very hot. And Kylina, who's standing behind you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, you can sit and write the assignment 3 days. You can start sending it by 5th. Okay, everybody. Now, no, wait. Okay, now, 1 second. Kabir's mummy wants to tell something. 1 minute, ma'am. 1 second. I will just speak to you. Wait. Okay, 1 minute.